pick up our puppy. It feels so surreal even saying that. I've literally been grinning the whole day. This is when we went to view her the day before and we immediately fell in love with her. We're nearly there. 2 minutes away. It's okay. This is Bella. Say hi, Bella. Oh. She's a Cavapoo. Mum's a king. What is it?
Toy poodle.
No, mum.
King Charles.
Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and dad is a toy poodle. She's exactly 9 weeks old today. She's so shy. No, don't do that. Oh.
Wait, let's give her spiky hair.
Bella. Eat your food. Come on.
Not hungry?
Come on.
Oh no, treat doesn't work. Now what?
She's so shy. Come on, eat your food. I think she's very overwhelmed right now. She didn't eat or drink. She's sleeping now. We're trying to potty train her.
You're a good little Bella.
She's gonna look like a seal soon. Bella!
She's shaking. Bella. It's okay.
She looks like a seal. Oh my gosh, she literally looks like a seal.
How ugly do you look?
Oh, okay, let's go. Is that you? Bella just had her first bath. Oh, and she did eat at the end yesterday. It took a couple of hours, but she did eat, which I think is a good sign. She probably started getting more comfortable with us, so yeah, she had her food.
Lucky.
It's really cute. Its eyes are like. And then it's fur.
Sana, who's cuter?
Who are who?
Poopa or Bella?
Bella. But you go for what you're cute. Too.
Aw, thank you, Sana. You're the cutest.
You're not cute. You're masculine. Whatever it means.
She just ate. She's trying to sleep now. She had loads of accidents last night. But thank God it was all on the kitchen floor, not on the carpet. So that's good. It was easy to clean up.
Nibble on that.
Thank you. I've been trying to potty train her today. I've been taking her out every hour and she's been quite good actually. She's not had any accidents today and hopefully none tonight as well. Say good night everyone.